How to download and install Hill Climb Racing on your mobile device. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Hill Climb Racing on your mobile device. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Hill Climb Racing on an Android device, but the process will be very similar for other devices. So first, head over to the Play Store. Then tap on the search bar in the top of the screen and do a search for Hill Climb Racing. Tap on the app in the search results and then tap on Install. The app will now be downloaded and installed on your mobile device. This process may take up to a few minutes to complete. If prompted to enter in any usernames or passwords, go ahead and do that and wait for the process to be completed. Once the installation is completed, tap on the green play button to launch the app. And that's all it takes to download and install Hill Climb Racing on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.